Filling potholes is important for several key reasons, the most important being road safety. Potholes can cause drivers to lose control, especially at high rates of speed or on busy roads. Driving over potholes can damage tires, suspensions, alignment, and even the undercarriage of vehicles. Potholes can be especially dangerous for bicycles, scooters, and pedestrians, increasing the risk of falls and injuries. Fixing potholes early prevents large structural issues and more costly repairs later. The need for quality pothole repair materials is crucial for effective pavement maintenance. For over 35 years, PatchMaster High Performance Pothole Patch continues to be the go-to product for quick and easy permanent pothole repair. PatchMaster is the ideal, cost-effective pothole repair solution for contractors, municipalities, road crews, and property owners. It is recommended for use on roads, parking lots, driveways, bridge decks, utility cuts, large cracks, and more. And it's ideally suited for both asphalt and concrete surfaces. So let's talk about why PatchMaster is the better alternative to typical cold patch products. PatchMaster is formulated to be used year-round in all weather conditions, including cold, hot, wet, and dry. Adhesive polymers are added to our proprietary bituminous resin mixture, or glue, that binds the aggregate together. This provides ultraviolet resistance and long-term flexural strength. PatchMaster features the industry's most advanced all-weather surface chemistry additives, which allows the patch material to adhere to wet pothole surfaces. The aggregate used in PatchMaster is completely dried prior to blending with our proprietary bituminous resin mixture. This ensures complete coating of aggregate, resulting in a long-lasting, cohesive patch mix. Other inferior products use wet aggregate that results in incomplete aggregate coating and potential cohesive failure. The result is one of the industry's most advanced, high-performance cold patch materials. PatchMaster is produced in our state-of-the-art production facility. Our advanced automated bagging operation is designed to fill up to 25,000 bags per day. PatchMaster is then palletized and shipped to over 120 SealMaster product distribution centers throughout North America. So let's review the recommended process for repairing potholes with PatchMaster. Start by removing loose debris from the pothole with a broom and blower. Shovel or pour PatchMaster directly from the bag into the pothole. Since PatchMaster is self-priming, there's no need for primer or tack coat. PatchMaster can also be poured directly into a wet pothole and still adhere to the pothole surface. Fill pothole to approximately half an inch or so higher than the surrounding pavement surface. This will allow for compaction of patch material. Level out the material with the shovel, lute, or rake. Use a hand tamper or plate compactor to compact PatchMaster. A denser compaction will result in longer-lasting patch. Once compacted, PatchMaster is immediately ready for traffic. For deeper potholes, apply PatchMaster in 2-inch layers or lifts and compact between layers. This will ensure proper full-depth compaction and prevent rutting from traffic. So let's review the PatchMaster Advantages. Ideal for use on roads, parking lots, and driveways. Quick and easy to use. An economical and cost-effective solution for pothole repair. All-weather application. Performs equally well in hot, cold, wet, or dry conditions. Great for emergency repairs. High-performance formula for permanent pothole repairs. Self-priming. No need for primer or tack coat. Can also be used for large cracks. Immediately ready for traffic after filling the pothole. Long-lasting shelf life, up to 2 years in a sealed bag. And best of all, PatchMaster is available at SealMaster locations nationwide. Contact your SealMaster representative today and discover why PatchMaster is the smart choice for pothole repair.